Alright guys, welcome to JC Sports Cards 2014 Bowman Chrome Baseball Box Break. Glad y'all could be here live. And sorry for the long wait on the break. Well, I was just out of town through last weekend and just had a lot of stuff to catch up on. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'll show you the box. Here you go. It's sealed. Still has the plastic on it. Alright. Go ahead and open it up. Alright, I'm going to have my brother come open it. He really wanted to do it. Alright. There we go. Get all the packs out first. Box is empty. Alright, there are 18 packs, 4 cards per pack, 2 guaranteed autos. I've seen some hot boxes have more, so let's hope for more. Alright, let's go. Oh man, I always open the wrong side. Oh my gosh. I just have to use the scissors. Alright, there we go. Shoot. Alright. First card here. We got Edwin Encarnacion. Oh, out of 500 already. Kenley Jansen. It's out of 500. I'll show it to you. Let's see. 423 out of 500. Robert Whalen. And Tim Berry. I'm going to have my brother get these penny sleeved and top loaded. Pack 2. Alright, pack 2. Carlos Gomez. Josmel Pinto, maybe. Rookie card. Chris Heston and Jeff Ames. Pretty cool. All base there. Pack 3. Alright. Jason Castro. Oh, got a die cut. Is this Franco? Let me see. Yep. Kel Franco. He's a really nice young player. Harold Ramirez for the Pirates. And Luis Severino for the Yankees. Masahiro Tanaka. A.J. Burnett. Oh, could this be an auto? It is. For the Pirates. Nick Kingman. Auto number 1. It's really nice. Really nice auto. Not numbered, I don't think. No. And then Bobby Wall for the A's. Let me show you this auto again. It's auto number 1. Nick Kingman. Craig Kimbrell. Austin Jackson. Matt Whitehouse, and Fred Lewis for the Yanks. Wow, packs. Alright. Another Pirate. My word. Pedro Alvarez. I'm a big Vandy fan, so really like Pedro. Matt Holliday. Dylan Unsworth. The Mariners. And Ryan Cussall. Yeah. Alright. Johnny Cueto. Is this? Well, this is out of 500. It's not auto, but Jason Castro. Second Jason Castro. But this one is out of 500. 255. And Jacoby Jones. Man, the Pirates are having an unbelievable break right now. And Breivik Valera for the Cardinals. Show you this number Jason Castro again. Out of 500. Alright. Well, that is weird. Does anyone see that, like, thing on the bottom of that card right there? It's Greg Holland, by the way. Never seen that. Alright. And then, gold. Andrew Thurman. Another Astro. Is that numbered? Ooh, that's a really low numbered. Out of 50. 16 out of 50. Andrew Thurman for the Astros. Jose Ramirez. And Michael Ullman. Rookie card. Oh, man. Ayers Bell. Holy moly. Does anyone see that? If you can pronounce that name. Oh, my goodness. Alright. Die cut. Alright, I'm going to randomize this one after the break. Julio Urias and Hunter Renfroe. For the Dodgers and Padres. I'll randomize that one live after this. Dalton Pompey, for the Blue Jays, and L.J. Mazzilli for the Mets. Jonathan Papelbon, Kyle Seager, Kevin Encarnacion. Wonder if he is any relation to Edwin. Probably not, but Taylor Cole for base. James Shields, Josh Beckett. He had a pretty good season. Felix George, or Jorge, I don't know. And Abel Sereno for the Rays. Let's see. Any Phillies or Marlins? Yeah, we've gotten some so far. I don't think any hits. Let me run through the hits really fast. Phillies or Marlins? Oh yeah. Here, Met fan. That is your hit from the Phillies, Kel Franco. Yeah, insert. My brother corrected me on that one. I still have this pack in my lap, by the way. For the Phillies, Jimmy Rollins. Right as we're talking about the Phillies. A mini. It's Billy Hamilton. Billy Hamilton. Check. I don't think it's numbered now. Pretty nice mini though. Logan Brocum. Okay. And Elvis. I like that name. Arajo for the Indians. And yeah. Let's see. Doug Fister. Jose Quintana for the White Sox. Murray's Minier, maybe, for the Twins. And Wilmer Oberto for the Phillies. Alrighty. Another national to start off with. Gio Gonzalez. Another Phillies. Cole Hamels. Brandon Dixon for the Dodgers. And Ryan Hafner. Another one for the Pirates. Still due for another auto here. Let's hope it's a colored one. It's been pretty nice so far. Alright. Colton Wong. Ooh, Chris Sale. I kind of like these. I wish they were real autos, though. Throwback cards. Stuart Turner. And Chad Pinder. Alright. 3 packs left. There's an auto in one of these. Let's see. Anthony Rizzo. Christian Yelich. No, there are a lot of Christian Yelich collectors. Cam Perkins. And Jose Pujols. Huh. That's interesting. Yeah. Alright, Bryce Harper. Pretty sure the auto's in this one. Giancarlo Stanton. Here we go. Jacob May for the White Sox. Wish it was a Braille, but at least it's a White Sox. Not numbered. Show you that auto again. Like a signature once again. And oh wait, I have to finish the pack. Alright, Jake Sanchez. Last pack. water. Got a die cut in this one. Here's the other Pujols. Albert Pujols. Another one I'll have to randomize. Henry Owens and Gary Sanchez. The Red Sox and the Yankees. Wow. Okay. Dwell Lugd. Is that a G? Oh, wait, no. That's an O on the end. Lugo. And Victor Caratini. Alright. I'll go ahead and get the randomizer up here in a second for those two double cards or whatever. Give me 1 second. Let's see how many viewers I have while I'm waiting. Wow. 4? Well, everyone else can see it later. Here, I'll do a recap while my brother goes and gets his iPod so we can randomize. Alright, here's a recap of the... Here's a recap of the autos and inserts. First, Jacob May autograph for the White Sox. Chris Sale throwback. Billy Hamilton mini. Other autograph, Nick Kingham for the Pirates. Out of 500. Oh, no, this one's out of 50. Andrew Thurman for the Astros. Oh, man. Well, my cat's coming to join us. His name's Peter. Alright. Jason Castro. This one is out of 500. Maikel Franco for the Phillies. Kenley Jansen for the Dodgers. It's out of 500, I think. Yeah. 500. And we got that other duel. Oh, no, we got both. I didn't show either. Julio Urias and Hunter Renfroe. And then Henry Owens, Gary Sanchez. 1 second, the randomizer is coming. Get my cat out of here. Alright. Still waiting on that randomizer. Anyone see the Alabama game today? They beat down Missouri pretty badly. Or TCU destroyed Iowa State. What was it like? 50-something to 3? I don't know. What else today? I know Florida State, Wisconsin's tonight. I don't know. There are some others. I think Baylor plays tomorrow. Oh, they play tonight? Well, alright. Let's see here. Let me see. So we're going to go ahead and do the randomizer for Julio Urias and Hunter Renfroe for the Dodgers and Padres. Let me type it up. Dodgers and Padres. We'll do the randomizer 3 times here. Okay, let me get it so where everyone can see it. I'm going to have to go back farther. Okay, we'll do it. Let's do it 3 times. That's number 1. Come on. That's 2. And here's number 3. It'll go to the Dodgers. So Julio Urias and Hunter Renfroe will go to the Dodgers. Let's do this other one. Yankees, Red Sox. It's interesting duel. Let's see. Yankees. And Red Sox. Alright. That was number 1 there. We'll do it 3 times once again. Number 2. And number 3. Wow, it was the Yankees all 3 times. Huh, it's interesting. Alright, it will go to the Yankees. Alright, guys. Thanks for tuning in to the box break. I will be doing more in the future, and I will let you guys know when that is. So, I will ship these out Monday if you paid. And see ya.